Today, I'm going to be 3D printing this fuzzy vase, or furry, if that's what you want to call it. So I just printed this vase out last night. It took, I think, like 3 hours. It's by Daniel Noré. He has a YouTube channel, and he designs a bunch of cool stuff, like RC cars and quadcopters. But these little things, you can feel them. They move. Be careful not to break them off, though. Like with certain filament, they won't break off, but with this, they will. So I accidentally sliced it wrong, so there is a top. But it's only 2 layers thick, so if I just grab the head here, you could probably just, yeah. Oopsies. Okay, there we go. So if I just break all around it, I put it no infill, so that's good. Yeah, it's hollow. But anyways, here, I can do that right now. So guys, I got the top off, and so now it's a hollow piece, and I filled it with water. You can stick like flowers in there, or pencils. Well, not with water in it, you probably shouldn't use pencils in there, but just proving that it's waterproof. It is. Oh, water spilling out, but there's no holes in it, like just any other 3D print. Print settings, 240 on the hot end, 100 on the bed, and 50 milliliters a second print speed. I'm not sure about that. And then there was 2 layers for the top and the bottom. Can't really remember that anymore. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.